Hi students, today's paper discussion. So, first question. First question is a glass prism of refractive index 1.5 is immersed in a water refractive index 4 by 3. As shown in figure, a light beam incident normally on the face AB is totally reflected to reach the face BC. If okay, so given okay where it is falling light beam incident normally on the face AB. So like this. Clear. Or you take here. For normal incident, there is no refraction here. And here it is taking internal reflection. Here. So this refractive index is given 4 by 3. Whose refractive index? Prism refractive index is given 4 by 3. And it is placed in where? In water. Water refractive index NW is equal to given as 1.5. Yes, glass prism of refractive index is 1.5. So we do one thing. So glass prism. So Ng you take it. This is 1.5. Water is 4 by 3. So what we have refractive index or the total internal reflection moment sine IC is equal to N water by N glass. So N glass is given 1.5. This we can write it 3 by 2. Then sine IC is equal to glass, the water is given 4 by 3. Glass is given 3 by 2. This is 8 by 9. So sine theta, sine IC is greater than or equal to 8 by 9. For this condition, what happens? Total internal reflection takes place. Here, next. What is the minimum energy required to launch satellite of mass m from the surface of a planet of mass m and radius r in a circular orbit at altitude 2r? So this is the planet of mass m. Here from here a satellite is launching a satellite of minimum energy required to launch a satellite. So here you find out first energy E initial. So we need to give the energy that is mv square, right? Or you take it we need to give the kinetic energy, right? Okay, that is k of m, or we will take it as a direct energy, that is k potential energy minus g m by r. So finally, where would be the satellite? This is the radius r and at a distance of 2r from the surface of planet m circular orbit at altitude of 2r. So this is 2r. So here it is there, satellite. Clear. Here the final energy is what? Of m v naught square orbital velocity. Here it has a orbital velocity and g m by what is the height potential energy we need to take from by r plus h. So total distance is r plus 2r. This is 3r. At this height, what is the orbital velocity? V naught is equal to under root of g m by r. Total distance is 3r. So here we have a square. This is E final of m. What is this? G m by 3r. This is capital M minus G m by 3r. So this will be E final is equal to, what do you get here? Okay, this is G m by 6r minus Gmm by 3R. So what you will get here? You will get Gmm by, here you will get minus Gmm by 6R, right? So now equate initial energy is equal to final energy. So what do you get? K minus Gmm by R is equal to minus Gmm by 6R. This comes to this side, Gmm by 6R plus Gmm by R. They are asking energy what we given. Okay. Then you will get answer this one. Clear. Next, if the unit of force were 10 Newton, that of power is 1 megawatt, and that of time were 1 millisecond, then the unit of length. They are asking length unit, L unit. Okay, clear. So we will do this one. So L they are asking now. Oh, power is equal, formula is what? Power is equal to W by T. W, how do you write? F into L by T. Now P is equal to F L by T. They are asking L. F is equal to PT by F. What is P value? Mega watt, 10 power 6. T value, 10 power minus 3. They given millisecond by 10. So this is 1000 by 10. One cancel. So 100 meters. Next, a particle falls freely near the surface of the earth. Consider the fixed point O on the ground, or not vertically below the particle. Then the pick up the incorrect statement. So you take it, the falling down. So they don't ask the point here. There are somewhere you take it here. Somewhere you can take here, no problem. Okay. Here the point. As it is coming down, they are asking the, so this distance is, uh, take the angle here, theta. So what they are, a magnitude of angular momentum of the particle. They are asking the pick up the incorrect statement. The angular momentum of the particle about go is increases. Clear. As it is coming down, perpendicular distance is increases. So increases. Magnitude of torque of gravitational force on the particle about O is decreasing. That is wrong. Torque increases because perpendicular distance. What they are asking, perpendicular magnitude of torque of the gravitational force on the particle about O is decreases. They are asking wrong statement. So this is a wrong statement. Moment of inertia of the particle about O is decreases because as it is comes R decreases. So moment of inertia about this point of this one. So M R this is a moment of inertia. Moment of inertia, what happened? This is R. You know, with this distance, you take it this distance L. As it is coming down, what happened? L decreases. Then moment of inertia is ml square. L decreases. As it is coming down, what happened? L. This L, as it is coming down, L decreases. So moment of inertia is decreases. So this is correct. Statement is correct. So the magnitude of angular velocity of the particle O is also increases. So wrong statement is second one. Second one is the wrong statement. Next, consider the spherical shell of radius r and temperature T. The black body radiate inside it can be considered as an ideal gas of photon. The energy per unit volume is given. Energy per unit volume is given. So that we can write it as a P is equal to what is that? Pressure is given. So energy per unit volume is given U by V. So U by V they given direct as directly proportional to P power 4. So U by V, you take it some constant, let us say What do you take? K, this is T power 4. The pressure is given. What is the pressure is given? 1 by 3 U by V. They're asking relation between T and R. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. So now, how do you write this pressure? Pressure is equal to U. V by U is what? K into T power 4, right? So this is 1 by 3 K into T power 4. Got it? Then PV is equal to nRT. P is equal to what? P is equal to nRT by V. So nRT by V is equal to 1 by 3 K into T power 4. Okay. This R is what? Radius, not a constant. Clear. Understand? So now V, volume of the sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Don't confuse. This is Rydberg constant. This is radius. We will take it Rydberg constant as a small r to avoid the confusion. Okay. This you take it small r, small r, small r. So this V goes this side, right? 1t will be cancelled. So you will get nr is equal to 1 by 3 k t cube. V comes this side 4 by 3 pi r cube. Clear? So what is the relation? T cube directly proportional to 1 by r cube. T directly proportional to 1 by r. So this answer is correct. Next, the two particles A and B of equal mass M are moving with the same speed V shown in the figure. They collide completely inelastically and moves a single particle C. The angle theta that the path of C makes with x-axis. So follow the law of conservation of linear momentum. First, A you take it along y component. First we will take along x-axis. Along x-axis. You take it first particle before collision. If you take it, this is m. What is the velocity? They are moving with same speed. Moving with same speed. V cos 30. Okay. First body. A. Next to come to second body because this is going opposite. So this is m v cos 45 is equal. This is before collision. After collision, along the two masses combined. So this will become 2m. Moving with what speed? Moving with the speed shown in the figure collide with that makes an angle theta. Okay. Here, particle V equal masses m moving with the speed v as shown in the figure. They collide completely inelastically and moves as a single particle C. The angle theta that path of C makes with x-axis. They did not mention with what velocity it is moving. Oh, we take it new velocity, let us say v, okay, small v. Already we taken, you take it this moving with a capital V, right? So mv cos theta. This is along x direction. Now along y direction. So, x direction in the sense this component we will get, right? So this we better write. This is not exact. This is along y. So you take now this is along x. Okay. X means you will get cos theta. So mv x means you will get sin theta because the theta subtended here with y axis. So x component will become now sin 30 minus what do you get? mv sin 45 is equal to 2m capital V sin theta. Okay. Now we have a two equations mv all will be cancelled. This m Cancel, right? Cancel. Now cos 30 no root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 no 1 by root 2 is equal to 2v cos theta. Now here also this mu cancel 1 by v 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 v also there v sine capital V, this is capital V sine theta. This is equation first one, you take it as first one, you take it 1, this is take it 2, take 2 by 1, you will get tan theta. Tan theta you will get, then solve it. What do you get answer? This you will get. Okay. So simply linear momentum we taken along x-axis and y-axis before and after collision. Okay, next, a fundamental frequency of the sonometer wire of length is L N naught. The bridge now introduced at the distance delta L from the center of the wire. The length of the wire can wire on the two sides of the bridge now vibrate with their fundamental modes. Then the beat frequency. Okay, so sonometer wire is this one. This is actually center. Okay. Yes or no? Now, what is the fundamental frequency for this? N is equal to V by 2N. So what happened? Bridge is introduced here. What is this? Delta L. So then what happened? This length will become L by 2 minus delta L. This length will become L by 2 plus delta L. Here it is minus L because this length is decreased, delta L, right? Delta L length is decreased. Clear? Delta L length decreased. Delta L for this half. Initially L by 2 before introduce the bridges, after introduce. Now the new frequency N1 for first one. V by what is that? 2 into L by 2 minus delta L for first one. Second is N2. This is V by 2 into L by 2 plus delta L. What is beat frequency? Beat frequency is N1 minus N2, or you take it N2 minus N1. Solve it, you will get the answer. You have N1 and N2 equation. If you do it, you will get the answer. What do you get? 2 N0 by 8 N0 delta L by L. Next, Young's double slit experiment shown in the figure S1, S2 are the coherent sources S. In the screen having the hole at the point 1 meter, 1 mm away from the central line. White light is 400 to 700 mm is seen through the slit. Which wavelength passes through the strong intensity? Okay. What is that? X is equal to N lambda D by D. So make it lambda first. Find out that is X D by N D. So all values given, X is given as 1 mm. 1 mm means 1 into 10 power minus 3 into clear. Slit to separation is given 0.5 mm, 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 by N as it is. Distance between screen and the where the hole made is 50 centimeter. This is 50 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, we are getting now lambda value. First is substitute n is equal to 1. What do you get? That you write down. Next n is equal to 2. What do you get? That you write down here. So what next n is equal to 3. Out of these 3, which wavelength is lies between 400 to 700? That you decide. Okay. So you will get answer 500 nanometer. Clear. Next, in LCR circuit, the current in the direction shown and the charge on this capacitor plates having sign. So, from positive charge, charge will move like this. Clear. So, what happened? I increases in the inductor, Q decreases in the capacitor. Clear? Understand? Next figure shows the network capacity. Capacitors where the numbers indicated capacitance in microfarad. The value of capacitance if the equivalent capacity between A and B to be 1. So first to decide this 6 into 12. So first find out that capacitance. Okay, this will become 4 equivalent capacitance because the combination is what? Series combination. Now this is parallel combination. This will become 4. Parallel combination is C1 plus C2. Now this is the situation, right? Now this is B. This is A. Here it is. No, not. Here it is C. Clear? Understand? This is extra Hadrana. This is 4. 4. And this is do one thing. Only one capacitor is there. Okay. One now 4 and 4 parallel combination. This will become 8. The circuit will become this is 1C and this will be 8C. Of course, don't write C, but they did not give. So next, now here it is 8 and 4 is the series combination. So 8 into 4 by 12, 1, 3. So this is 8 by 3. Like this. This is what? Okay, you have this one. Again, these two are in series. Yes or no? 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1. This is 8 by 9. So finally, this is 8 by 9. And this is parallel 8 by 3. Am I correct? If you do it properly, this is 8 and 4 series. So 32 by 12. How do you cancel? 4 8 are correct. It is. Now again, these two are which combination? Parallel combination. 8 by 9 plus 8 by 3. What is the LCM? 9 is the LCM. 8 plus 24. Here it is 32 by 9. So finally, we have this total capacitance is 32 by 9. And 32 by 9 and C, which combination? Series combination. This effective is given 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by 32. Simplify, you will get the answer 32 by 33. Next to the position of the projectile launched from the origin at T is equal to 0. Position is given R is equal to 40 I cap plus 50 J cap. What does it mean? What does it mean? Oh, initial X is 40 meter, Y is equal to 50 meter. What they are asking if the project at T is equal to 2 seconds, if the projectile was launched at an angle theta from the horizontal, then tan theta they are asking. So find out velocity along X direction after 2 seconds. Vx, X is equal to Vx into T. So Vx is equal or Ux is equal to X by T. T is given how many seconds? T is given as 2. So what is the distance along the X? 40 by 2 is 20. Next, same you find out Y. Y is equal to Uyt plus half gt square. Y is given as 50. Uy, T is 2 minus G is up. Y is going up. So G is negative 1 by 2. G asking us to take 10. 2 square 4. 2 times cancel. So 50 is equal to Uy2 minus how many? 20. Uy2 Uy is equal to, this comes to this side, 70. Uy is equal to 70 by 2 is 35. So tan theta is equal to what? Angle. tan theta is equal to uy by ux, 35 by 20. This is 7 by 4. 7 by 4. Do you have that option? Yes, 7 by 4. A thin horizontal circular distributed about a vertical axis passing through a center. A insect is rest at point near the rim of the disc. The insect now moves along the diameter of the disc to reach the other end. During the journey of the insect, the angular speed of the disc. Very simple. Follow the law of angular momentum. When insect move from here, moment of inertia is uh, moment of inertia decreases. I omega is equal to constant. Okay, moment of inertia. What is moment of inertia decreases? Angular velocity increases as it is approaches to center. Again, it is moving to other end. Then moment of inertia increases. Angular velocity decreases. So first increases, then decreases. Next, the ideal ammeter, zero resistance and ideal voltmeter infrared resistance are connected as shown. The ammeter and voltmeter reading. First, we need to find total current. 5 ohm and 15 ohm, which combination? Parallel combination. Then 5 into 15 by 20. Once 4, right? Parallel combination. 5 into 15 by 20. So what do you get? You are 15 by 4. Yes or no? Yes. Then this is in series with 1.25. 4 is the LCM, 15 plus. Am I correct? So this is what you get 0. Here you will get 0 again, point. So you will get 25 by 4 total resistance, right? Then V is equal to IR. Sorry, V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. V is 20 by 25 by 4. So 20 into 4 by 25. 5 5s to 5 fours. 8 by 5 are getting somewhere we did wrong. 5 15 volts. 5. So 20. It's correct. Cancellation is 1.2 4 times. 4, it is 28, 0. This is 5. Here we did a mistake. Here it is not 10. Here it is what? It is 5. 5 means here it is what? This is 20 by 4. It is 5. So these are all what we did mistake there. Okay. Calculation mistake. Don't worry. Now Vs to 20. Or we got it as a 5. 4 amperes. So here from how many amperes moving? 4 amperes. 4 amperes splits here. So whatever the current in this, that will be read by A. So current in 5 ohm, how do you write? 5 ohm is equal to 15 into total current by resistance 20. 1 so 5 so 5 3. Current read by 3 amperes. Right? Same amount of 4 amperes current passes through this one. So V is equal to IR. 4 into 1.25. What is this? 5 volts. So 3 amperes and 5 volts. A monoatomic gas is filled in an unconducting container. The gas can be compressed by movable and conducting piston. The gas compressed to slowly 12.5% of the initial volume. So you take it initial volume V1 as a V0. V2 is equal to this we can write V0 by 8. Any objection? Oh, 1 by 8 is what? 0.125. How do you write these? 12.5%. So it is non-conductive means no heat exchange takes place, right? No heat exchange takes place. That process is what? Adiabatic process. In adiabatic process, relation is TV power gamma minus 1. Okay, so initial temperature is what? They take it to T1 as T naught. Final temperature they are asking. So this we can write down T naught, V naught, gamma for monoatomic gas. So monoatomic gas gamma is what? 5 by 3 gamma minus 1. So 1 is equal to T we need to find. Final volume is what? V naught by 8. V naught by 8 whole power 5 by 3 minus 1. So T naught, V naught, or this is 2 by 3. Am I correct? T V naught by 8, 2 by 3. Simplify. You will get this is 4 T naught. T is equal to clear this option. Next, a particle plus Q is positioned at the center of the base of the square pyramid as shown. The flux through the one of the face. So, very simple. Here it is Q placed. Am I correct? And complete the pyramid, the bottom side also. From this total flux is phi is equal to Q by epsilon naught, but they given half the portion. So from this portion, flux is coming out, phi is equal to Q by 2 epsilon naught. So each phase they are asking, how many phases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each phase means flux is equal to Q by 4 into 2 epsilon naught. So Q by 8 epsilon naught. So this is our material question. The relation, this is floating, this is high denser. Clear? A jar filled with a mixed liquid one and 2 having respect to a solid ball made of 3. Drop the equilibrium. Which of the following is true? Okay, this is row 2, row 1, row 3. Right? So row 2 is greater than remaining this one. Less denser is always up. Okay, this floats above the high denser. So this is row 2 and this is row 3, row 1. So which is greater? This one, right? So option 4 is correct. And next, a point the mass of 0.k is executing a system amplitude is given. A is equal to 0.1. Kinetic energy is given. Ke is equal to 18 into 10 power minus 3 joules. This expression ಏನು? So K is given. Next, what did they given? Initial phase is given phi or phi naught. Is 45 means pi by 4. So they're asking equation. Standard equation is what? Y is equal to A sine omega t plus phi naught. So A already given sine omega t plus pi by 4. We need to find omega. Omega we need to find from this expression of K A square. Okay, K. What is a K relation with omega? Omega is equal to under root of K by M. So this will be 36 into this cross multiply here. 36 into 10 power minus 3 by 0.1 whole square is equal to K. Then substitute here K and M. You will get the omega. Omega you will get around 6. Then this y is equal to 0.1 sine 60 plus pi by 4. Clear? What happens when the applied load increases and up to the breaking stress in the experiment to determine the Young's modulus? Then if you load increases, what happened to the thickness of the wire? What happened? It's elongated and it will become thin. Finally, it will break. So area goes on, increases and it will break this. Now an insect travel up to hemispheric surface very slowly. The coefficient of friction between the insect and the surface is 1/3. If the line joining the center of the hemisphere spherical surface to the insect makes an angle alpha, the vertical, the maximum possible value of alpha, so that insect do not slip. So friction is required to avoid the, here it is the insect. This is what alpha. This is what weight. This is mg cos alpha, because this alpha same, and it is pushing the legs downwards. Friction acts up. This is balanced by mg sine alpha. Reaction force acts like this normal reaction. So normal reaction balanced with mg cos alpha. Friction force balanced with mg sine alpha. So friction formula is what? Mu into n mg sine alpha. Substitute n value. Mu mg cos alpha is equal to mg sine alpha. Mg cancel. So mu is equal to tan alpha. Mu is given as 1/3. 1/3 is equal to tan alpha. 3 is equal to cot alpha. Next, the length of the magnet of large compared to its width and breadth, the time period of oscillation, the vibration magnet is 2 seconds. T is given 2. And the magnet is cut perpendicular to its length, 3 equal parts. Then the part one of and these parts are then placed in on each other with their like poles together. The time period of the combination will be clear. So what do you do? T is equal to 2 pi under root of I by mb. Then new time period they are asking. T dash is equal to 2 pi under root of T dash by m dash into b. Okay. Perpendicular cut. So then new moment of inertia of each bar you need to find. Mass will become m/3. Length will become l/3. Moment of inertia will become magnetic moment also m/3. Right? What is the moment of inertia formula? M is equal to I is equal to ml by ml square by 12. Find out new moment of inertia, and they placed one over each other, right? Like this. Am I correct? So I 3 I dash. Here you will get 3 I dash. So new I dash is what? I dash is equal to m dash l dash square by 12. Clear? Okay. Substitute, you will get the answer. Answer will be 2 by 3. Yes. Okay. This is old moment of inertia. This is new moment of inertia. Okay. I dash formula I given. Find out. Substitute here. You will get the answer. Okay. The uniform wire of length L and radius R has resistance 100 ohm. If it is recast into wire R/2, the new resistance. Already we have done this. Okay, volume is remains constant. Volume is remains constant. R is directly proportional to area square. R directly proportional to R power 4, because area is pi R square. We are talking area square. So pi R square whole square. This will be R power 4. You will get new resistance is 1600. Next to the thin liquid film formed between U-shaped wire, light slides up, weight of 1.5 Newton. The length of the slider is 30 centimeter. Its weight negligible. The surface tension formula ಏನಮ್ಮ? T is equal to F by L. But here this length we have two sides, the back side and front side. So T is equal to the film is touch with the wire is. So they are asking T. This surface tension balances with what? Which force is acting downwards? Weight. So this is mg by 2L. So T is equal to, already weight they mentioned, right? Already you take it, this is W by 2L. That is 1.5 into 10 power minus 2 by 2 into 30 into 10 power minus 2. You will get the answer 0.025. Okay. Next, a piece of wood formed recently cut tree shows 20 decay per minute. A wooden piece of same size placed in a museum shown 2 decays per minute. Half-life is 5,730 years. Then the age of wooden piece placed in a museum. Okay. So this we have dn naught by dt is equal to 20. Okay, not 20. This is n naught lambda. So this is 20 is equal to n naught lambda. Now 2 is equal to n lambda. Present. This is the present. This is initial. Okay. So, no. So they are asking present age of that piece which is placed in where it is placed in a museum. We have a relation n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. Rearrange this, what do you get? Log n naught by n into lambda t. Okay, from this n naught by n is equal to what do you get? Divide these two. What do you get? 10. So log 10 is equal to lambda formula enamma 0.693 by T of into T. Clear? So log 10 is equal to 0.693 by T of S2. 5730 into T. Simplify, you will get the answer. The answer is 19039. Next, the temperature of the two outer surface composite slab consists of two material having coefficient of thermal conductivity K and 2K and thickness X and 4X respectively. And the temperature difference given T1 and T2. The rate of transfer through the slab, steady state, they given one equation A into T2 minus T1 by X into F. They're asking F. So this combination is series combination. For this series combination, the effective resistance, effective conductivity K by XY, the length by area into K plus 4X by what is this? 2K into A. This you will get. What do you get? You will get this simplify the 2 cancel. So this is x by 2 AK plus 2x by KA. This is will be 3x by KA. Okay, this is reciprocal series combination. Then K effective will become KA by 3x. So DQ is equal to what do you write? KA by 3x into T2 minus T1. So they given what they given? A T2 minus T1 by X given. What is there into F given, right? What they are asking F value. So F is what? F is nothing but 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 0.333. Next, if the ratio of concentration of electron and hole semiconductor is 7 by 5 and the ratio of current is 7 by 4, what is the ratio of drift velocity? What is current equation? I is equal to NEAVD. So, I, what is the ratio currents? We need to take current ratio to IE to IH. So, electron concentration EAVD by this is electron concentration. Already they mentioned ratio of electrons given. This is H. EA VD. EA EA. Cancel. This ratio is given NE by NH also given. Substitute, you will get the answer. Answer, you will get 5 by 4. 5 by 4 ratio, you take it, that is okay. Next is the car start from best accelerate the rate of rate f to a distance s. Car starts from the rest, then s is equal to of a. A is what? Rate. So this we can write it as f. You take it t1 square, first case. Then continues the constant speed. Then constant speed means no acceleration. No acceleration means velocity is equal to f into t. F into, yeah, this is f t1 square. Okay, this is f t1 into t. Constant rate they mentioned. So we need to multiply. Clear. So then distance in this time. S is equal to what? How do you write? S is equal to F T1 into T. This is another displacement. Next, decelerating with a rate. Then S is equal to, if this is decelerate, S is equal to what you get? U square by, finally stops. U square by, I mean V square by 2A. V square is what? Initial velocity. So F T T square by 2 into A is what? F by 2. Here. So this, from this you will get 2s is equal to f t1 square. Altogether you add it equal with 15s, because 15s they given. 15s is equal to s plus what you will get f here this one t plus 2s. Okay, simplify. You will get s is equal to 1 by 2 f t1 you need to eliminate. So that t1 in the elimination process you will get. Then this will be 1 by 2 into 36. This will be 1 by 70. They are asking x. Ft square as is numerator. Ft square, Ft square. So 72 is the answer. Consider an optical communication system operating at wavelength 800 nanometer, right? 800 nanometer. So lambda is equal to 800 nanometer, 800 into 10 power minus 9 meter. A and B respectively opposite direction where, oh, sorry. So this is our question, okay? So lambda is equal to 800 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Suppose 1% of the optical source frequency is available channel bandwidth for the optical communication. How many channels can be accommodated for the transmitting audio signal required bandwidth? So number of channels is equal to number of channels for a given bandwidth is equal to here total bandwidth by given bandwidth need per channel, bandwidth needed. Okay, so we need to find out the total required bandwidth. So frequency is equal to what? C by lambda. So this frequency you will get you get frequency 3.8 into 10 power 14 hertz. In this only whatever 1%, suppose only 1% you take it. 1% means 3.8 into 10 power 12. So, so this is the what is the total bandwidth? This is 3.8 into 10 power 12. With what range we require? With 8K. So 8 into 10 power 3. Clear, you will get a bandwidth. This is around 4.8 into 10 power 8. So this is a new concept. Remember this. Next, this I did not get the answers. We'll see the next discussion. 2 questions are pending. Okay. Next here, this one. This is currents for 10 ampere and 2 ampere are passes through a two parallel wires A and B respectively opposite direction. Okay, where A is infinitely long and length of B is 2 meter. The force acting on the conductor B, which is situated 10 centimeter distance from A, will be x into 10 power 5. Force experienced by the conductor F is equal to BIL. B, field produced by the say first conductor, that is mu naught I1, this is I2 L by 2 pi D. So 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. 10 ampere, 2 ampere, length is to 10 into 10 power minus 2 by 2 pi. What is the D? So this is 2 meter or 10 meter. Length of the wire is 2 meter. This is the distance is what? 10 into 10 power minus 2. How many times cancel? 2 times. Simplify. You will get x place. What is x? X will be 8 into, you will get this 8 into 10 power minus 5. This is minus 7. Okay. What is the next place? 8. 8 is the answer. A hot water cools 50, 60 degrees to 50 degrees in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 42 degrees, the next 10 minutes, the temperature of the surroundings. They also previous test question. This is you will get around 10 degree Celsius surrounding temperature. Okay, with this discussion is over. Clear.